All right, the next program is our opening remarks given to us by Bro Risto Labang. Yeah, professors!
Good morning, my brothers and sisters, especially the leaders. I will not name it all because there's so many. So, congratulations, especially for all those who organized this big event for our Papa's Progress Annual Fundraising. Congratulations to the organizers. I will make my opening remark a story. Do you want a story? Okay. Way back in 70s, there was a marathon held in UK. A person joined the marathon because his mother is sick. The prize was 50 grand for the first prize, 25 grand for the second prize, and 10 grand for the third prize. He needs 50 grand to cure his mother's ailment. At the process of the marathon, there are 3